Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. This is day 2 of working in this bathroom right here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it just started snowing outside and I just want to be cozy on the couch and watch some Christmas movies, but we can't do that. We have to work on this bathroom. So let me show you what I want to get done today. So first, this old radiator heater right here, I want to clean this up. I have to find the front of it and then the little end cap. Clean those up, spray paint those up so that looks all fresh and new. Then I have to build a box around these pipes right here. Then I gotta put a baseboard here. I'm just gonna use 1x4 and maybe some like decorative molding to go on top. I gotta put the base of my pedestal sink back in. I want to caulk this window and then paint it, but I'm probably not gonna be able to paint over the caulk today because caulk needs at least, I think, 24 hours to dry before you can paint over it. And then I kind of want to put a chair rail right along here and along this side as well. So I might just use some 1x4 for that. I'm not sure how many 1x4s I have. So all of this tile was pink and I originally thought it was actual tile, but I found this seam and this is just like a particle board that's supposed to look like tile. I don't think that they still make this, but whoever installed this originally didn't do a great job, so I'm gonna have to kind of account for unevenness like this. And then we have to get our last piece of flooring in. I'll probably start with that so I can just have one project done, and then we do have to caulk around the toilet. Let me vacuum this up. I'm gonna have to take this door off. Huh. Ugh. We did it. We did it. I'm basically doing the same thing that I did with the toilet yesterday. I have a piece of craft paper cut out the same size as the board that I'm going to be putting down. And then I just kind of slash it and put it around the molding. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can undercut your trim, like take a little hacksaw and just cut off 1/4 of an inch on the bottom so your floor can sit underneath it. But with this type of floor, you kind of have to put the plank in at like a good 45 degrees and then snap it down. And I don't think there would be enough clearance for when the board is going down. If you were starting on a corner that had trim like this, you could undercut it and then slide it up underneath. That would be a way to do it. I'm trying my best to really follow the contour of exactly where this needs to go. This is very difficult to do. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm trying my best. So now I have my paper pattern transferred onto my board, and now I can just go in and trace exactly where my pattern is, and then take it down to my scroll saw and cut it out. Let's take this baby down and cut it, see if we did an okay job. It's so peaceful when it snows. The pond is kind of freezing, but the creek is running again. It's so crazy. This creek was dry the whole summer. Wow, look at that. Did you find a frozen carrot in the garden? Okay. Was that yummy? Got all my metal pieces painted. Just gotta let this dry. Now it is pretty chilly, so I don't think it's gonna dry very quickly. Door is back on, and this is not looking too bad, you guys. I don't really know why there's such a big gap right there, but I am gonna put like a little piece of cord around to hide that. But around the casing looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. I like my pattern method. This is the old saddle that was on here. Now it's dirty, it's beaten up, it's gold, and that doesn't really go with anything that I'm doing here. So the LifeProof flooring does have saddles that match the floor. I just don't have that right now, so I'm definitely gonna go pick up a saddle that matches this flooring, and I do have to get some other things at Home Depot. I got my windowsill caulked in. I got the pedestal base for my sink back in place. I did caulk around the toilet once. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll go back around it again. It'll kind of mask the jaggedy edges. And I'll just put a little piece of quarter round down there to hide that seam, finish it off, paint that up. And then over here is the shower. This shower was tiled in like this when we got it. I don't know what that is. I think that might be paint. There is still quite a bit of cleaning and work to do, but it's definitely better than before. So when we got this house, this bathroom was disgusting. So gross. I didn't want to even come in here, but now it's looking cute. The tile paneling right here, what I thought was tile, is actually a particle board, and it was pink, and then I spray painted it white. Definitely wouldn't do that again. Spray painting inside of a room, not a good idea. I definitely suggest you roll if you're going to be doing something like this. Eventually I will put a chair rail up here. I'm probably going to stain it up in that early American stain because I love that stain, and I think that would be a nice little contrast between the soft kind of neutral pastels and the white. To have like a light early American piece of wood trim would be perfect, and it would tie into the oil rubbed bronze fixtures that I have in here. So on this side of the bathroom I continued that wallpaper around. I don't know why Mark put these here. Mark was trying to help me stage the bathroom when he put these little boxes here. They don't go here, but it's cute. We'll leave it. We'll leave it for now. Give him some credit. But this fixture we got from Home Depot. I think it's actually an outdoor fixture, super cheap, around 20 bucks. This is actually a coffee table tray that I got, I think from that like bullseye spot at Target. Those are little tiny jade elephants that I got when I was in Mexico. And these are some DIY shelves that I made out of a wood slab that I got from Michael's. I'll link that video if you want to see that one as well. I continue that wallpaper around towards the back. There are some shelves. This wire basket right here has kind of like a lot of our toiletries and extra stuff we don't really get to. Then these two shelves down here are still kind of in the works. Don't really know what to put back there. Maybe some like backup first aid stuff. But it's looking really cute. So much better than before. Oh my God. So I can't really get much more done today because I need some more materials. I need my 1x4 for my chair rail, my baseboards, and my quarter round and all that stuff for the floor trim. I need to let my caulk dry before I can paint. So I'm gonna call it a day, a little bit early, enjoy the snow, hang out with the puppies, and then maybe make dinner early and watch a movie. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 10. Okay, bye.